Hey there, fellow green thumbs! If you've been dreaming of growing your own vegetables but think you don't have enough space, think again. Today, I'm showing you exactly how to grow fresh, delicious veggies in a small space from seed to harvest. Stick around for tips on soil, watering, and protection strategies to keep your plants thriving. Let's get growing. First up, what should you plant and when? If you're in USDA Zone 7A, follow this simple planting schedule to maximize your harvest. By staggering your planting, you can enjoy fresh produce for most of the year. Now let's talk about what you need to grow these successfully. Great soil means great veggies. Here's a budget-friendly, nutrient-packed mix you can make at home. Or, if you're short on time, grab a quality all-purpose potting mix and mix in compost. And don't forget soil amendments. Mix these in when planting and refresh every few weeks to keep your plants happy. Now let's talk water. Watering is key. Too little and your plants struggle. Too much and they drown. Here's a simple rule of thumb. Always water deeply when the top 1 to 2 inches of soil are dry, and morning watering is best. It reduces evaporation and keeps plants hydrated through the day. Most veggies love full sun, but extreme heat can be a problem. If temps hit 90 degrees Fahrenheit or higher, give your plants a break. A little protection goes a long way to keep your garden thriving. And there you have it, your step-by-step guide to growing your own food in a small space. With the right schedule, soil, and care, you'll be harvesting fresh veggies in no time. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy growing, and I'll see you in the next video.